Welcome everybody to week 10. So this week we are turning in our final draft. Before you do that, however, one of the things you need to make sure you do is in the week 9 folder, make sure you are logging in to the rough draft discussion board and leaving feedback by Wednesday. In case you haven't seen my email yet, I pushed back the revisions to Wednesday, and that is Wednesday the 21st of October. That isn't to say that the rough draft is due later. The rough draft is still due this Sunday, 18 October, by midnight, but the peer reviews where you log in, let's say we were logging in here, and it looks like we only have one, so I would check out Courtney's. I would open it up, I would read it, and then I would come back to the course content, go to week 9, and open up the peer review questions. And I would answer 4 questions. Let's see, 2 questions from the front, so 2 questions between question 1 through 9, 2 of those questions, and then 2 questions from the second page, questions 10 through 15. So once you answer 4 questions for that person, you go back to the course content, you go to back to that person's essay, the rough draft essay that's located in week 9, and you come in here and you leave the replies just like we did, I think it was in week 6. So just like last time, we'll come in here, we'll reply, say I chose question 2, I would provide an answer, whoops, and then say I chose question 5, question 11, and question 15. I would provide a short answer for those. Make sure that in these questions, you're choosing questions to which you can provide criticisms that help them out. Don't just come in and say, hey, good job, good job, good job, good job on all 4 of your questions. Choose your questions based on how much they provide for the other reader. So what I'm saying is don't choose questions that have a yes answer, a yes, you did a good job answer. Choose questions that are those that are, yes, you did a good job, but here's how you could have done it better, or no, you didn't do a good job at all, and there's significant room for improvement. Those are the questions we're looking for. So don't post questions, or excuse me, don't post answers to these questions that don't provide anyone with any feedback. Feedback needs to be in the form of, here's what you can do better. That way they have somewhere to go whenever they provide the revisions. Once you've provided feedback in that week 9 folder, once you provided feedback for the rough draft discussion board, then you come back to week 10 after you've revised your final draft, so make sure you check that periodically throughout the week to check out and see what people suggest for changes. And then you come into week 10 when you're all done, and you post your final draft here under the Writing Project 3 final draft. Once you do that, you're completely done for the week, and we will pick back up on the 25th. As you can see, I'm recording this video on Friday. And week 10 doesn't actually start until the 19th, and that'll be done on the 25th, and we will start Writing Project 4 on the week of the 26th through the 1st of November. At that point, we only have a few weeks left, and it gets pretty easy from that point, in my opinion. And so I think it'll be downhill from here for you guys. So as always, be sure to post questions either in the Start Here part where you have the general questions for the course section. You can definitely contact me on Skype. That seems to be working pretty well now. Text messaging seems to work, and then of course emails and phone calls are also welcome as well. So again, welcome to week 10, and if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, I look forward to finishing up the semester with you guys here pretty soon.